This is my system that we just put on. Got a little color in it. So as you can tell, it's a fun system, some fun color on it, but it's not too overpowering as well too. At least I don't think so. So I mean, I think it's perfect for somebody, like I said, somebody who's definitely in the arts industry, wants to have some fun. I think this would be perfect for somebody who's like a DJ as well too. I mean, we have a lot of famous DJs. Unfortunately, I can't name names, but we got a couple of guys, back home in Canada, and we got, I think, 2 guys from our Dubai location as well too. All famous DJs. They spin around the world actually. But yeah, I think it's, irrespective, even if you're not a DJ, and if you just want to have some fun with your hair system, this is it, right? So, bringing it back, what I'm wearing is what we call as a full skin. There's different variations of this full skin as well too. It's about basically how thick and how thin that skin is. The thinner the skin, the more comfortable it is. Actually, the thinner the skin, you can go like really, really, really short. So if you're looking for like a really short, like an army crew cut, or even shorter than that, this is the perfect system for it, right? You gotta understand this though. The thinner the skin, the shorter the life of the system as well too. So if you go for like a 0.02 or something like that, you're looking at maybe like 1 or 2 months maximum, because when you try to remove the system, it's gonna rip. If you go for like a 0.06 or something like that, it's gonna last you for like maybe like 8 to 10 months. Okay, so great system, supernatural look, have some fun, some different color. Just thought I'd share with you. Let me know what you guys think about this video. Let me know if you think this is a cool system for you. If you like it, you want to try out something different. If you're already a hair wearer and you want to try something different for yourself, give us a call. All right? Peace. Thanks, guys. Have a good day.